Namaskar, hi, hello, welcome to ASK in Detail friends. You have seen the thumbnail of this video and I am going to tell you one more unknown fact, or we can say the exciting fact about the Indian postal code system, that is PIN code system. So keep watching this video. The full video will be completely informative for your convenience or for your general knowledge. So before starting this video, increase the video quality and increase the volume. So let's start this video friends. Indian postal system, that is we can also say that PIN code system, as you can see here, this is PIN code system. It is a 6-code PIN code system. Now I will immediately tell you who is the founder of this PIN code system and how this system works and what is the meaning of all the digits located in this 6-digit system. Here we have a details. So here, as you can see on the screen, we have a father of Indian postal code PIN code system, that is founder. The name is Shri Ram Bhikaji Velankar. Honorable Shri Ram Bhikaji Velankar founded or introduced this Indian postal code system, and here is the image, or we can say the pic of this great man, and just beside this image we have a 6-digit PIN code system. As you can see here, how this 6-digit and what is the meaning of this 6-digit. The first digit shows the zone, second digit shows the sub-zone, third digit shows the sorting district, and final 3 digits, as you can see here, final 3 digit shows post office number. So in this way this system works, and we will see another details of this system. Here we have another details. I will show you one by one. As you can see here, we will see the history of this Indian postal code system, that is PIN code system. As you can see here, this PIN code system, Indian PIN code system, was introduced on 15th August 1972 by Shri Ram Bhikaji Velankar. Who was Shri Ram Bhikaji Velankar? He belongs to Maharashtra, but that is not just the introduction. He was additional secretary in the Union Ministry of Communication, Government of India. So he was the additional secretary, high level officer, and a great man who introduced PIN code system. What was the benefit of this PIN code system? That is, the system was introduced to simplify the manual sorting and delivery mail, eliminating confusions. There was no confusion at all after introduction of this system, because there may be some errors, because confusion happens. So how they avoid this confusion? Because of these errors, incorrect addresses, similar place names, there may be names, similar names of districts or villages or talukas, or many things are there, for example road names and other things. And there may be different languages across the India. There are thousands of languages spoken across the India. So all these errors reduced and eliminated because of this Indian PIN code system, postal code system. Now we'll see the structure. As I have already told you, the first digit shows the PIN, the zone, second digit shows the sub-zone, third digit shows the sorting district, and the other final 3 digits shows the post office number. So these are the 6-digit numbers. Now we will show how many postal zones are there in India. There are 9 postal zones are there in India. To simplify this system, here you can see these all 9 zones. The first zone, as you can see, northern part of the India. This is the eastern part of the India. This is the we can say western part of the India. This is completely western state, Maharashtra, Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. This is southern part of the southern part of the area India. This is also western part, northeast states, and here we have a central part, and the final zone is 9th zone is army post offices, specially reserved for field post offices. So these are the 9 zones, and then sorting districts numbers are there. Here are the examples, and final parts for the offices, delivery post offices, the numbers of post offices. So in this way this postal code system works and helps across the India without any confusion. We can deliver any letter, any mail to any part of the India, across India. Now we will see some important facts about the founder of pin code system, Shriram Bhikaji Velankar. Here he was the scholar of Sanskrit and Pali language. He was expert in Sanskrit and Pali language. These are the oldest languages on earth. Now I will tell you the most important thing is that he was passed the ICS exam in British rule India, but still they failed this great person in interview because there was a reason, because he was the student of Swatantra Veer Savarkar, that is the Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Indirect student, he was not the direct student, but it was the information given by collector of Ratnagiri, to British Empire, British officers, that Shriram Bhikaji Velankar went to the classes taken by Swatantra Veer Savarkar when he was in home isolation. So this was the information regarding Shriram Bhikaji Velankar and the founder of pin code system of India. So in such a way to see some important things, unknown facts, visit again and again our channel. Thanks for friends, like, share, subscribe and press bell button. Thanks, bye for now.